Hey, what's up? It's Second McKay, and today I have the YZY SL-01 in hand. Originally, I purchased these at the top of the year when they were first announced, exactly on January 13th. But with all the controversy behind Ye and him getting banned on Shopify, I thought I would never receive these. And I thought I would probably receive a refund or something. But they're finally here. They came in a black nylon bag, and on the tag it read SL-01. And it said it was made in China. The slipper comes in a plain black colorway, and there were supposed to be other colorways available in the future, but I don't think that's happening anytime soon. I got these in a size 12, and they're embossed at the bottom of the sole on both slippers. And the shoe kind of reminds me of like a loaf of bread, and they're surprisingly large in size. Like, I'm gonna let them sit in the sun for a little while to let them shrink. But the quality is not the same as the Adidas Yeezy, but I guess that's what you'll get from a $20 pair of slides versus like an $80 pair of slides. But for more content like this, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys soon. Peace.